What is the most depressing truth that you've had to accept? 1. I am everything that's wrong with me. Every dissatisfaction I have with my life stems from my inability to change. I could be doing better in college, going to the gym, networking, reading more, you name it. The only thing holding me back is me. I lack the motivation because I don't care enough about myself to act. 2. Elderly people were once the same excited children we all were not that long ago. The same applies to people who are now gone. 3. Just because you think someone is the one doesn't mean they think you are. 4. I peaked in high school, or maybe early college at best. 5. Some people don't care if they ruin your life. They're either too sociopathic to feel remorse or too selfish, often willing to do anything for a quick laugh. 6. I thought I could be happy being alone. Turns out I was wrong. 7. My parents are going to pass away one day. I have no idea what I'll do when that happens. 8. Death is forever, and life isn't fair. I had a cousin who was the kindest, most selfless person, a paramedic who always helped others. He took care of his mom until she passed at 92, and he was diagnosed with Huntington's disease. Life didn't reward his kindness, and that's a harsh truth. 9. Summer vacation is gone for me forever. I still feel, this time of year, like I'm due 3 months off. I remember long days outside, drinking from the hose, dancing in sprinklers, and playing until the orange sky turned purple and then black. But now, I work. Those carefree days are